How does Facebook branded content work? Well, if you want to know more about Facebook branded content and branded content in a whole, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's check out what it is. So branded content refers to media content that features a brand in a way that is integrated into the storyline or the narrative. It's a form of native advertising where the brand is woven into the content in a natural, non-disruptive way. On Facebook, branded content is content posted by a Facebook page that features a third-party product, a brand, or even a sponsor. The brand is integrated into the content in a way that feels authentic to the page's audience. So, how does it work? Well, to post branded content on Facebook, the page owner must have the branded content tool enabled in their page settings. This will allow them to tag a third-party brand in their post. Well, when a page tags a brand and their branded content post, the post will have a paid label on it and indicate that this is a sponsored piece of content. There are a few different ways that pages can use branded content. Product placement. So product placement features a brand's product in a video or a photo in a natural way. Influencer marketing. Having an influencer or celebrity endorse a brand in the content. Sponsored content. Creating content that is sponsored by a brand and features their messaging. So why is branded content beneficial? Well, branded content is beneficial both for the pages as well as the brands. For the pages, it allows them to monetize their content by partnering with a brand. For brands, it allows them to reach new audiences through trusted publishers or influencers. Branded content feels more organic and less disruptive than traditional advertising. If this was an enjoyable video, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.